Just add the egg to the minced meat and the result will be incredible. Let's start by putting 450 grams of ground beef in the frying pan. You don't need to add any oil. Ground beef releases water. Add a chopped red onion. 3 crushed garlic cloves. A teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. Sauté everything until the water in the minced meat has reduced. Take the time to tell me which city you're watching from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. Mix well. Make this recipe at home and come back and let us know how you like it. Place 6 eggs in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of salt. Black pepper to taste. Beat everything well. Don't forget to leave a rating from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. That way I'll know how much you liked this recipe. Add spring onions to taste. Mix everything together very well. This recipe is extremely delicious. Now I'll add the minced meat. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Add Parmesan cheese too. Cheese to finish. And our recipe is ready. The minced meat is very juicy. You won't regret making this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time and enjoy.